Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Myself, my name is Nisa. I am 20 years old girl and currently studying in university. I am the first born of my parents and we are four in number. My father is an engineer and my mother is a housewife. Whoever I am today is because of my family. My favorite subjects are English, biology and arts. I have a stable grade and get quite good grades in class. I am a keen reader of books and love to read books that refer to histories of countries. I have always been energetic and lively, so I find no problem in making new friends. I try to learn a lot about people, so in this way. I study their characters before I react. I know that I am not perfect. I never try to be, but one thing is true that I am who I am.